Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gone Fishing. Today we'll be using spinnerbait and we'll be going for pike. See if we can get into them. It's beautiful out here. That was me, player. Yeah. There we go, boys. There we go. Feels like a little bass. Yeah. It's a nice bass, player. I hate when they do this. Look. Player, that's a nice bass, player. Oh. That's a nice bass, player. Yeah, guys. What a beautiful fish. He got hit by something. Throw him back. Big bass, too. There he is. Oh, you son of a... I tried to play with it, eh? Player, throw on weight. Try it. Right in the rocks, player. Nice. I wanted to play with it. I don't know why. I got the best cast. Oh, yeah. Player, nice bass, player. Oh, yeah. Jump, baby, jump, jump.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, player, nice bass, player. Oh, yeah. You got one? Oh. There we go, guys. Another beautiful bass. Look at that hook set. It's all about the hook sets. Look at that. Huh? You think so? There we go. Nice bass, player. Right at my feet. Right at my feet, player. Big bass. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. It's a big bass, player. That's a big bass. Oh, yeah. That's a nice bass. What's that bass, gentlemen? Boys and girls, and children of all ages. Beautiful, dog. He's destroyed. Look at this. Swallowed it. Weight spinner bait again, eh? Right here on my feet. Nice. You lost him. No, he might be swimming towards you. Swimming towards you. Oh, you lost him. You lost him. He was coming towards you. Yep. Nice fish, player. That looked big. That pike didn't come up or nothing. See how they come towards you, player? See how they come towards you? Yeah. Told you it's stressful. That was a nice. Did you see him jump? He jumped. Got him. Yep. Just reel it in. Just reel. Don't keep on putting your rod tip up. Yes.
Player, video it.
It is.
Holy fuck. What is it?
Smalley. No.
It's a fucking catfish?
You caught a catfish, man. That's fucking awesome. On a fucking crank. A bull, guys. A bull on a crankbait. Give me these fucking things.
Here, give me that.
Give me these fucking things. Squeeze. There you go.
Watch
Drop it. Yeah.
Watch.
That's awesome. How did it feel?
Player, I thought it was a bigger fish.
Nice. What do you mean? It's a catfish. They fight like animals.
Player,
A fucking catfish. I would have never expected that. That's what the other one was.
Player, that's a fucking lunker hunt.
Fuck, who needs to go fucking River Canard for catfish?
Just put a crankbait on.
Fucking put on a crankbait. All right, guys, that's gonna end another episode of Gone Fishing. It was good. Caught a couple of largemouth bass. I had a huge pike, freaking missed them. I thought it was a rock. I thought it was snagged and missed them. And then my buddy catches a freaking catfish on a crankbait. Can't believe that. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for the next one. Ciao.